I'm back with another video. This is a knife from Ganzo. This is an EDC knife. It is model number G724M-GR. Let's take a look at it. This is a very nice knife. It has a G10 handle on it. Very nice green, army green color that it does have on it. Very nice blade. It does have 440C steel on this. It does have some jimping here. It also has a axe lock design on it. This is a little bit over 7.5 inches. The blade is a little bit over 3.5 inches as well. Very nice. It does have a satin finish on the blade itself. It is a drop point design. Very nice blade that it does have on it. Pretty sharp. I am going to be putting it through a series of tests. It does have a little bit of jimping on the spine. It has a very nice ergonomic feel to it. Very nice to hold. As you can see where the jimping is, the jimping's right up here on the spine of the folder. As you fold it, you can see the jimping here, and it also has part of it up here, so when you're holding it, it's going to be very good for like cutting, slicing, stuff like that. I really like this spine as well. Pretty sharp on here, so I wonder if you could actually start a fire with it. I'm also going to see if you can do any type of other shredding of wood with the spine back here. Very nice, like I said, 440C steel on it. Very nice, very easy to handle, very nice sturdy blade. It doesn't move at all. What I'm going to do is I am going to be putting it through a series of tests. I am going to be cutting with some paper. I am also going to be cutting some cardboard. I am also going to be cutting some plastic with it, and I am going to do some batoning with it as well. So let's get to it. I did want to point out that it has a very nice clip on it, really nice stainless steel clip, and it does have a, where it hooks, the clip hooks on, it does have a really nice point on there as well. So I'm pretty sure you could use this for busting glass as well. I imagine you could probably use that, and it also comes with a little hole here for a lanyard line. I want to demonstrate the belt clip as well. Very easy to put in and very easy to take out. The first thing I want to try is a paper test. Let's see how sharp this knife really is. Okay. Not bad. Okay, so not bad. Alright, so not bad at all. That's pretty good. Could be a little sharper, but doesn't cut bad at all. Next thing I am going to be trying is cutting some cardboard. Okay, so the next test I wanted to do is I did want to cut through a plastic bottle and see how well it cuts through a plastic bottle. As you can see, this thing's cutting pretty nicely there. There you go. Surprisingly cutting very well. As you can see, this knife is just made for light batoning, but you can do some light batoning enough to start a fire. It is not a fixed blade where you can do some heavy batoning, but you can do light batoning on it, as you just saw. So let's see if we could get any shavings off of this piece of wood. As you can see, I started a little bit right there already. Let's see how much more I can get. So as you can see, you could get quite a bit of shavings off of this. It has a very sharp spine to get shavings off of here, so this would be perfect to start a fire. See all those shavings I got off of there? All this soft wood material. So, very nice. So I'm back. I gotta say, this Ganzo knife is a very good knife. I mean, the price, it's only $15.85. You can't go wrong with Ganzo. They got a lot of reviews on YouTube. They're very good knives for the price. Very well made. 440C steel on the blades. They do keep a very good edge. It could use a little bit more sharpening on this blade, but it comes out pretty sharp out of the box. I like the G10 handle on it. Very nice, very sturdy. You're not going to have to worry about it slipping out of your hands. I like the jimping up here and also the ergonomics on the blade. It's not going to fly out of your hand or anything like that. So I really like this knife. Like I said, for the price, a very good knife. I will leave the link in the description for all my YouTube subscribers. You can't go wrong with any Ganzo products. They make very good knives for the price that they do sell them at. I really like this knife. Not bad at all. And if you guys have any questions on this knife, please feel free to leave me any messages and I'll answer them as best as I can. And as always, everyone, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.